This is Harry Vocal, Sound of Australia, voice off the street. Spineless politicians. Last week, Peter Dutton, the head of the Liberal Party, came out and said we've got new policies. We're going to put more people into the mental health side of things, and we're going to look after women's health. Well, I'll tell you, Mr. Dutton, the best thing you can do if you're going to carry on like that is bloody well step down and put someone with some absolute balls in that's actually finally going to stand up and cut bullshitting out of politics and actually do something. The reason you've got to supply more people and staff to mental health because of successive governments with your bullshit policies that put so much stress and pressure on the family unit that people are going mental. So what you've got to do is get some balls, stand up and get rid of Albanese with these insane policies that are going to send this country bloody broke within a couple of years. And the saddest thing is that all out there, so many of you idiots are buying it. He's going to bring in 700,000 migrants to do medium jobs that these bloody kids who they've now did the job seeker thing and who refuse to work could bloody well do. And if you have some balls, Mr. Dutton, you'll sell them. That's it. The dole stops until you get up and go and have a go. Let alone the fact, where are you going to put these migrants when we've got families, complete families, living out on the street now because they can't find anywhere to live? Then you've got to sort the voice out, Mr. Dutton, and say you're going to support no, because it did not work in New Zealand, this type of bullshit, and it's going to divide the country, let alone the fact of what it's going to do for the Aboriginal communities, which is nothing. And it's about time these Aboriginal communities stopped looking for us to solve their problems and stood up and had a go themselves. Nextly, Mr. Dutton, if you are still there and don't have the brains to step down, you have got to address these minority groups, the LGBTQ, all sorts of minority groups that are controlling everything. And these apparent independent teals. What a load of crap. And finally, Mr. Dutton, cut bullshitting about the future for power and bite the bullet and stand up and address it with nuclear power or something. Even coal. Nobody's saying anything about China. Australia's got all the blame for climate change, which is also a crock of shit. Stand up and admit and tell the Australian public the truth for once, Mr. Dutton, and solve the issues instead of bullshit talking about it, and you will be in power forever. Work it out, Mr. Dutton, or put someone in with some balls that will. This is Harry Vocal.